Hello everybody, it's Ben with the DIY Homefront. And my wife reminded me that I never really did a product review on my bug balls, the ones that I use to capture all the yellow flies. So I did a long video about how to clean them, but I never really talked about the product itself. So I ordered some. Let's take a look. I got mine off of Amazon, but it's made by a company called Bug Ball Fly Traps. And when you order the kits, you can order stuff that just has the balls, just has the tacky stuff, or a kit. And this would be considered a kit. And it's got 2 of the bug balls. And it's got some of their product in it that's going to help bait the trap with the sticky stuff. So let me put all this together and you can see how it works. It also comes with the needles that you'll need to inflate these balls. Well, the yellow flies are attracted to the blue color. They also make these bug balls in black. And when it's time to inflate these balls, all you have to do is take the needle that came with the kit, hook it up to an air compressor, and then just stick it in the end like you would do a football or a basketball. Well, the sticky material that you use to capture the yellow flies comes in many different ways. You can get a tub of it like this that you smear on the balls. You can get a spray can of it where you just spray it on, and this is probably the easiest way to put the material on the bug balls. And then finally, this kit came with a container that almost looks like it's a tube of PVC glue where you've got a brush and you just brush it onto the balls. Well, when it's time to hang these bug balls out in the yard, I end up using a metal plant hanger, and then I've got a piece of electrical wire that I'm using as like a string, so the bug ball just hangs from the plant hanger. And that works out pretty good because if there's any kind of breeze, the ball will end up moving around a little bit, and that's supposed to help to attract those deer flies too. I think that's a little too much. Well, if you feel like you've overinflated one, all you have to do is stick the needle back in it and let some air out. And there's a product logo, Bug Ball. If you've got them, you might want to wear some gloves if you're going to use these 2 products. I have yet to find a good way to get this stuff on the balls without making a mess. It's really tacky and sticky, and it's like snot or something. But it does work. You would be surprised how well it works. If you've had problems with yellow flies, you know it only takes one to drive you nuts. And if you've got one of these traps close by, you've got a really good chance that they're going to be stuck on this instead of biting you. Well, the spray can is by far the easiest way to apply this product to these balls, but I have found the easiest way to get it evenly coated around the balls is just to take my hand and smear this sticky stuff all over the place. And I normally only put it on the top portion, about the top 3/4 of the ball, because with all the summer heat, it seems like it sort of runs down some. So it will end up coating that bottom 1/4 of the ball that you didn't put it on. And here's a bug ball that's been out for probably about a week and a half now. And you can see it's got plenty of yellow flies stuck to it. And here I'm going to use a spray can, and it's just like a can of spray paint. It's got a ball inside of it that you can shake to agitate and mix up the material, and then you just spray it. It comes out of the can a lot like the 3M spray glue that you can get from the hardware stores. And just like that, we're done, and it's ready to be hung up and catch those yellow flies. Well, that's it for this product review. I'm not a paid advertiser, but they do help reduce the deer flies, and that spray can is by far the easiest way to put the product on the balls. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in that next video.